Hey guys, Mark Yagi here, and I'm just giving you a quick little update from my cruise because we're having an incredible day in the market. Today is Monday, the 12th of May. We are having a wonderful day in the market, and you can look at this Tesla position, which I'm not even really talking about because it's such a small position. I just kind of have it to keep my foot in the water, just to remember that it's there. But I thought it'd be instructive to you, and I'm not. There's a bunch of other trades that I'm doing behind the scenes to make juice, and so the P&L is not even right on the screen, but it doesn't matter what the P&L is showing. Right now, the P&L for the day is showing $1,750, and the stock is up about 20 bucks. Now, this is instructive for you because this P&L for the day being up 1750, you'd think it'd be a lot more, right? Now let me show you how this works in essence, right? So I have the long calls, the 300 calls, okay? I've had them, kind of at the money for a while, and then it's gone below them and above them and all around, and I just keep selling the 300s and the 310s now. I sold the 310s last week, and I went out a couple of weeks, and I sold 10 of them, and I got 11 bucks for them, and now they're worth 18. So there's a lot of you that are new or inexperienced in covered calls, or just maybe don't even understand them, and you're going, well, Mark, you're losing all kinds of money. If you look at it today, it looks like I'm losing money, and here's why. So I got $11, and now I would have to pay $19 to buy those back. You see that there? And so over here, if you look at the P&L open, it's a minus $8,000. Oh my God, that's horrible. I'm gonna go bankrupt. What an idiot. No. Or you could think that if you want. It's cool with me. I don't care what you think about me. So yeah, the P&L for the day is lousy. But look what? This other P&L is all of a sudden up 11,200 because the base position moves up. Now I've got only a 67 delta in it, so it's not moving up as much as I'd like, but still, it's outpacing, and that's why I'm only making $1,800 on it. Here's the real secret. And if you don't learn anything from this video, just open your mind for just a second, and then you can close it back up if you don't get what I'm talking about. But open your mind for a second and look at how much juice is left in these calls. $1,000 a contract. That's 10 grand. I got 1,000 shares, right? 10 contracts. So that's 10 grand, $10,222. Okay? So all I've got to do is sit back and wait, and as long as the stock closes over 310, I'm going to make another $10,000, regardless of what the stock does. It could go up $1 billion from here, $1 billion a share, and I'm going to make $10,000 more. I won't get the billion, but I'll get $10,000, right? Because that's the juice. That's the extrinsic value. That's the whole reason I'm doing this. So at this point, I'm happy that the stock is over the 310. If it stays over 310, all I got to do is wait for that $10,000 to come back in, and it will. I'm going to get it no matter what. In another week's time, what is it, 11 days from now? Today's May 12th. In another 11 days, I'm going to get $10,280 that I wouldn't have today if I sold it. So yes, if I sold it today, I'm getting my butt kicked. But if I waited another 11 days, I'm going to get this $10,345 in juice. Period. End of story. Now, I love the fact that it's above 310. A lot of you that don't understand covered calls, you're going to go, well, Mark, you're losing money over your strike price. No, I'm not, because I'm going to get the $10,000, and the stock could pull back. You know, Tesla can pull back. I mean, it's crazy. It goes up it's up $20 today. It was up $12 Friday, or whatever it was, right? But just because it goes up doesn't mean it keeps going up. Trees don't grow to the sky. Sometimes it pulls back. And when it pulls back, I love it because I've got all this cushion all the way down to 310. Okay? And so I can't lose any money until it starts to go back below 310. Right? That's in the money amount. You see this intrinsic value column here? That's protecting me. Right? Because it could go down $8.20, and this could go down $8.20. And I haven't lost anything because one's long and one's short. If you understand that and you switch your gaze over to this column, that's where we make the real money. And so, unfortunately, I have to wait to get the rest of this money, but the rest of the trade is working out just perfectly for me, okay? You guys don't know what I've been doing on this little position behind the scenes because I'm not reporting on it. But I've been selling calls every couple of weeks at the 300s or the 310s or whatever, and I've been just collecting juice. So yeah, the P&L open shows that it's down 36,000, but behind the scenes, I've been just collecting a bunch of juice that you haven't seen. So be careful about those of you who are like, oh, you're down. Don't judge a book by its cover, because there's lots of unrealized positions out there too that add up to the whole thing. And since people don't understand what we're doing, the brokerage firms don't understand, they're not keeping a tally of how much juice we're making. That's why we have to keep our tally separate. And so I may do a little math video on this. To me, I know I'm making money on it. And even though it's a small position, I've got my toe in the water on Tesla because I believe in the company long term. And I sold out of my big position on Tesla, several months ago. I'm happy. Look at this. This is all mine. All I got to do is wait for it. Let me ask you something. Are you tired of losing money in the stock market? Are you tired of watching your portfolio go nowhere while the markets swing up and down? Or maybe you handed your hard-earned money to a financial advisor, hoping they'd help you grow it, only to be disappointed by high fees and underwhelming returns. I get it. I've seen it all. And that's exactly why I created the Cash Flow Machine Elite course, to put the power back in your hands. This isn't just a theory. This is real, in-depth training on how to generate consistent weekly income from your existing portfolio using covered calls, just like the ones you see in my videos, but at a whole other level. Every week, you could be generating hundreds or even thousands of dollars in premium income, enough to easily pay for this course in a matter of weeks. And more importantly, enough to build a life where your money works for you and not the other way around. Let's be clear, this course isn't for everyone. It's not for people looking to get lucky. But if you got a decent sized portfolio and you're ready to stop hoping and start earning, then you owe it to yourself to invest in the knowledge that can change everything. The Elite course is now open. The results speak for themselves. Click on the link below and let's build your cash flow machine together. Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.